Hey guys, it's Mandy. Today I'm coming at you with some ideas for Mother's Day. To start, I am showing you what I got for Mother's Day a little bit early. I love these dahlias. We were at the store and I saw them and I had to have them. So we're gonna start with this and I'm actually gonna go plant them. It's just gonna live right here at my front door for now, so I figure out where exactly I want her to go. Here, I'm working on my mom's Mother's Day gift. She spends a lot of time tending to her yard, and I thought I'd make her something that looked good and served a purpose. This planter will have plants and herbs that naturally deter pests. They'll also be nice to look at, bring pollinators to the yard, and also aid in making food taste great because she'll have fresh herbs to use. The first plant going in here is Thai basil. Basil is awesome because it helps keep away asparagus beetles, mosquitoes, and whiteflies. Next is the polka dot plant, and there wasn't any specific reason why I added that other than that they're pretty and she likes them. Here I'm untangling the roots a bit. It's good to try to untangle or loosen the bottom of the roots on plants when you're repotting them or planting them. It lets the plant know that it can spread out and grow and look for nutrients elsewhere. Next is some regular basil. I put a few of these in. She loves basil, so I wanted to make sure to give her some variety. These are Aloha Dwarf Blues. This is another plant I added just because she likes them. They're super pretty. I love them too. I added a few of those and then we popped in some marigolds. Now marigolds are a great companion in the garden. Of course, you probably have heard it already before, but they bring pollinators to the yard and they keep away a lot of pests, such as like cabbage moths, the Mexican bean beetle, which was my nemesis last year. And they act as a trap crop by becoming the food source for pests like slugs, for example. So the slug will attack your marigold instead of attacking other crops that it would normally go for. Nasturtiums do the same thing. They're a good trap crop as well. One great thing about this gift is that it's totally customizable. Many herbs repel pests, so you can switch it up and use what the person you're making it for would enjoy. Maybe some mint to go in, some homemade mojitos, wink wink. I'm kidding, kinda. A few other great options are lemon balm, oregano, and thyme. And then, of course, there's a ton of different flowers you could choose to bring pollinators in, so just have fun with it. Another Mother's Day idea for moms that aren't close enough to bring them a potted plant. I thought these were really, really cute. It's a paper bouquet. And they come in like this little bouquet envelope, and then they pop out. I'm not gonna pop it out all the way because I'm not sure if once it's locked in place, if it will easily fold back up. I still have to ship this to a special lady. But I just thought these were so beautiful, and they have all sorts of flowers. And they have them on Amazon. Anyways, I thought this was an amazing idea, and it comes with another little card so you don't have to like write on the vase. They had sunflowers, poppies, all sorts of things. It was really hard for me to choose, but I'll put some links in the comments below if you're interested in buying any of these. And then they also come with a big envelope that these go into. I'm just not showing it because it's got an address on it. Another idea I saw that I thought was brilliant was these could also work for maybe mother, grandmother, or, you know, anyone in the hospital, really. Anyways, people who are in the hospital that are in very sensitive situations that can't have like actual live plants in their room, they could have something beautiful like this, because it's not going to drop pollen or leaves or, you know, petals. Well guys, I hope my video was able to inspire you or give you some ideas of what you might do for your mother or wife, sister, whoever special person in your life. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.